Mixing it all together. This is it. This is the Japanese mayonnaise. Oh. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Japanese potato mayonnaise. Enjoy yourself also having some of these because these are really good food. Okay guys, this is for the Japanese mashed potato. It will take you 10 minutes to boil the eggs. Oh. Okay. Dangerous to put the camera there. Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make another of the mashed Japanese potatoes because sobrang sarap niya. So this time we're going to show you how to do it step by step naman. So now we're going to mash these potatoes muna. And then these are the carrots, the cucumber, and yeah, later on we'll show you more of the ingredients. I'll just mash these potatoes first. Okay, so right now yung carrots are being boiled as well. How many minutes to naka-boil, Nanay? 3 minutes. Boil the carrots for 3 minutes. Okay, so we have mashed the potatoes. Ngayon, ilalagay natin yung Japanese cucumbers. Should these be stirred? Okay. So, if you notice, yung potatoes natin, ayaw naman natin yung sobrang durog. We don't want it too mashed. We just want it the right mash. Okay. So, if you notice, meron pang mga buo-buo. There are still some big, a little chunky ones. That's okay. You want it that way. From the heat. Okay, so we will be putting seasoning. This is some salt. Siguro, is that half a teaspoon of salt? Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Is it okay kung mas maraming pepper siya?
You have to taste. It's dependent on your taste.
Okay, it's okay to have more pepper, guys. There you go. Should we mix this already? Okay, so now we're going to mix it. Mixing it all together. This is it. This is the Japanese mayonnaise. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video of the Japanese potato mayonnaise. Enjoy yourself also having some of these because these are really good food.